Right now, the special investigation team will visit Sabrimala today to measure the surface area. We're talking about 2 doors presently kept in the storeroom for the purpose of calculating the quantum of gold cladded on the door frames and the lamp plates and the plates as well. The Kerala High Court has granted permission as the temple remains closed after the pilgrimage season. They are to further collect samples from the gold plates of the doors and carry out necessary measurements as well and assessments for quantifying the gold content on these particular doors. Now, Neetu, let me come back to you on that. So there we have another development, further investigations that are going to be carried out. They're going to be assessing these gold plates. They're going to carry out the necessary measurements. What clues do you think that will be able to offer?
Now, the SIT will be in Sabrimala today. They have sought permission from the Kerala High Court to conduct these checks. Now, if any team wants to go to Sabrimala to conduct these checks, they will need the permission of the Kerala High Court. So that is what the SIT has sought. They have been given permission. Now, what they intend to do is that measurements of these door frames that has been kept in the store. There are several doubts on whether the original ones have been shifted out, whether there is whether the gold padded copper plates, whether gold has been pilfered from this also. So these are things that the SIT is managing to find out by measuring these frames and also the chemical analysis. They will be taking out samples and analysis of that will also be done. So the intention of the SIT is to find out whether more gold has been pilfered from these doors that has been kept in this storeroom also at Sabrimala.
Right, absolutely. But given that at this point we have seen the results of the chemical analysis as well, we are seeing the exhaustive probe that is being carried out across multiple states. We're waiting to see what sort of a paper trail emerges when it comes to the financial aspect of this as well. Really, it brings us back to the question, how was this even allowed to carry on for so long, and how, in fact, they managed to get access to these? Because as Arunima was reporting earlier, and you've mentioned this as well, many of these were represented in the books as copper plates.
See, that is what has happened when the High Court has asked the investigation team to look into it, and they found out that in 2019 in some places, initially 2019 after 1998, that is when this was padded with gold. So at that time it was written as gold padded copper plates, but in 2019, 2018, around that area, in some of the records it has been just mentioned as copper plates instead of gold padded copper plates. So the High Court looked into it and said that this shows that there is a conspiracy. This could be, they mentioned it because this could be, that is how they tried to pilfer this gold, and that is why the officials during that time, Murari Babu, the former executive officer of Sabrimala and administrative officer of Sabrimala, has been arrested in connection with this. It was after the SIT was formed, they looked into all these records and they found that there has been so much of misappropriation, pilferage that has been happening. That is how they have found this. Now, initially also, Devasam Board also has a vigilance department. There is a chief vigilance officer. It was actually this vigilance officer's report that in turn was submitted to the court by the special officer, and it was based on this vigilance officer's report that the court had asked an SIT to be formed. So yes, it was going on for years, but the system or the government keeps saying that, see, it is our system itself that has found out that there is something like this happening. But for how long this has been happening and for how long it went unnoticed. And also the fact that when it comes to the issue of misappropriation of funds from the sale of ghee, that is something which has happened in the last, in December 2025 to January 2nd. So when this entire issue related to the gold theft was going on, we are seeing something of this nature. So that is something which was again shocking, because everybody was talking about the gold theft in Sabrimala, and then that again, it was a vigilance report. The Devasam Board themselves who had found out that this amount of money is being is misappropriated, or the proceeds from that sale has not gone to the Devasam board account. So again, it was the vigilance of the Devasam board which has found out that and then reported it to the High Court, and High Court has asked the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Bureau to form a team and look into all this. So this again would be the defense that the government will take, that yes, this had happened, but it's then our own agencies that are finding it out, and we are not going to let anyone go scot-free who has looted the temple gold.
Right. Well, Neetu, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this.